Welcome to another segment by Technical Option Traders Inc. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I'm going to get started here about talking about the markets here. S&P has been pretty solid. As you guys can see, we had a little bit of a brief sell-off period. It wasn't really a big sell-off. It was just due to the Fed minutes. It wasn't really a big deal here. As you can see, the 426 support level that I have marked here was pretty decent, held off pretty nicely. And as we can see, the month of June has a 70% win ratio. We're in the month of July now, which has about 90% win ratio for S&P 500. So I wasn't really worried, when it came down. The market's sentiment's overall bullish. But there are a few indicators that are pointing towards troubling times, possibly ahead. Every time the Feds mention tightening of policy or having to adjust interest rates or anything like that, the market reacts severely. So, which gives me an indication that once they do decide to go that route, we could see a big correction. But that's still sometimes away. But overall, SPY held this back test pretty well. It was a good retest for the RSI. The RSI bounced from 59 now back above here. We're still not at the oversold level, so SPY overall looks very good here. So I would be very bullish for the rest of the month. The Qs. Let's look at this. June 60% win ratio over the last 10 years. July has a 100% win ratio for the Qs. Okay, so the Qs broke from all-time highs. Now they've extended a decent gain here. Pullback was really nice. Had a nice reset of the RSI. Now we're at 360 level. My level is 366 and then possibly 377. Got these from the Fibonacci ratios. However, when I look at the Qs, I'm more concerned about the support level here. Even if we do pull back or we have some sort of correction, this zone right here up until 332, I would see this as a buying opportunity. As long as it holds, it'd be like a buying the dip scenario. Even 350 here. So overall, the Q still looks strong for the rest of the year. Let's go into IWM. IWM, great move here so far. It's kind of stalled out. As you guys can see, money rotating from small caps to large caps, especially tech. For IWM, this zone right here, it's really big. It's held this zone, the volume shelf, really well here. The big support level is down here at 210, which I'm watching to hold. I think the small caps go into a little bit of a consolidation here. Watching this low at 217 and then 210 to be violated here before I do see any kind of bearish sentiment happening. But overall, IWM looks okay. Not really too worried about it. It does have a weaker summer compared to the Q and the SPY. As you guys can see here, June was really strong for IWM. Has about 80% win ratio. July, only about 60%, and then August about 40%. I believe 40 or 50%. Yeah. So summer is usually weak for IWM, which is fine. Overall, still a strong trend on IWM. So Dow Jones is really good as well. It's picking up here. I think Dow Jones will have a strong year to finish off. I expect a lot of stocks like Boeing, banks to pick up here towards the second half of the year. Dow also has a strong July month with a 90% win ratio. Weaker August, weaker September, then it picks up, as you guys can see, towards November. I do expect Dow Jones to clear some levels here and really make some headway, in the bigger terms of things. The 8 did cross over the 21 and the 50, so as long as this level is violated, I expect Dow to do well. As you guys can see, the volume has been picking up in the Dow as well. So overall, very bullish in the market so far. So with Dow, S&P, Qs, IWM, I think SPY and Qs will have a strong close to the month, and Dow picking up later on towards August, September. So that's my market forecast for this week. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Hope you guys enjoy this segment. If you guys want me to do any other content, please leave it in the comments below.